Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this video, we will solve another problem. So let us read the problem statement. You will be given three integer inputs n, k and l, and you have to print the series n minus k, n minus 2k, n minus 3k. So yesterday we have solved, right, the same problem. So but it is having little change. So yesterday we have stopped the for loop whenever it comes to 0, right? So whenever it comes to 0, the loop stopped iterating. But here, I'm just using L. I'm just using L to stop the loop. That's it. So it's the same problem. Instead of 0, we are using L. So L is a value where to stop that loop. So I hope you understand the problem. Let's write the code. You will understand more better. So scanner SC is equal to new scanner system.in. So int n is equal to sc.nextInt. So int k is equal to sc.nextInt. So int l is equal to c.nextInt. So I'm using for loop. It should start from n and it should be n with n should be greater than or equal to l. So yesterday problem we used 0. 0 means it's a number. So in that number we are just giving the user input. So where to stop that number. And we are storing that number in the L. So that L we are representing here. That's it. The same problem instead of 0. That 0 we are indirectly storing into the L variable. That's it. So I1 is equal to K. Same problem. So I hope you understand the problem. So let us run the program. So let us give n value 20, k value 2, and L value 0. So which means at the n value should start from 20, and each time the kth value should be minus, like two times of minus. Yesterday's problem like that only. Same 18, 16, 14, 12, 8, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. So until where it has to iterate the loop until 0. So 0 is storing in the L variable. That's why I'm giving here L. That's it. Same problem. See here. 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Same problem, right? So I hope you understand this problem. So if you don't understand this problem, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. So then only you'll get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.